Hi there, I'm Gloria from Food Staff Salinas. Today, we're talking about something that hits close to home for all of us in the food manufacturing and processing industry: food safety. Investing in comprehensive employee training isn't just a cost, it's your frontline defense against recalls and withdrawals. These aren't just setbacks, they're direct hits to your reputation and bottom line. Ensuring industry compliance and excellence isn't a one-person job. It's a collective effort that begins with equipping your team with the right skills and knowledge. Imagine a future where food safety incidents are a rarity, not a regularity. This is the brighter, safer future we envision at Food Staff Salinas for all our partners in food production. Let's join forces to elevate your workforce and safeguard your success. Together, we can transform the landscape of food safety and set new standards for excellence in the industry.